This is what would have happened if you would have invested your $1,200 stimulus check issued on the 12th of April 2020 into any of these 10 popular cryptocurrencies. Into Bitcoin right now, you would have $7,538. Into Ethereum would have given you a return of $22,929. Into Cardano right now, you'd have $76,363. BNB would have given you $28,720. Into XRP, now you'd have $5,873. Solana would have given you a whopping return of $210,389. Chainlink, $8,544. Into Dogecoin, you'd have $126,000. Litecoin, $4,595. And Terra Luna would have given you $180,000 returns. Amazing. We are so happy and grateful that today, you can start investing and saving in cryptocurrency by going to richcryptoclub.com. That's richcryptoclub.com, and be a part of the biggest transfer of wealth in human history. I know it looks crazy on the outside, but your understanding isn't required, your action is. And we are so looking forward to seeing you on the inside investing in your generational wealth.